my going pee in the blizzard. Come on, let's go in. Okay, shut up behind me. Hold on, I gotta put my gloves on. Okay. Open the garage for me. Lock that. Whoa. Okay. This is deep. Oh my god. You can't really see how windy it is. This is nuts. Man, this wind's blowing so hard that it's actually cleaning the sidewalks. But you can't even see the fire department. Whew. I can't even see down there. Oh, the wind stopped there. Wow. That wind is harsh. Look at that. Oh my god, it's deep. This car. Man. Look at the drift. The drift's up against the garages right now. Oh my gosh, the drift in our driveway. Look at the size of that drift. Look at the size of the drift. I'm recording that. It's up to Bonnie's waist. Here, I'll get a picture. Hold on. The camera iced.